This meditation will make your specific person realize what they did wrong, the gravity of it, and they will become emotional over you to the point of tears. They will be filled with regret and consumed by overwhelming guilt until they make things right with you. Everything they made you feel, they will feel it now multiplied. Whatever ego they had will be melted, and anything causing their ego to inflate gets removed. This meditation is very powerful and pretty much guaranteed to work, so use it with caution. Set your intention before listening instead of letting things be randomly given by the universe. You can use this to attract them back for good or just to torment them as you move on peacefully, knowing they finally realized what they lost. This will work even on the most stubborn person. The bigger the ego, the harder it falls. Now let's begin. I set my intention that this meditation works for me now. I only get results that will make me happy. These affirmations are potent, effective, and instantly producing results in my reality right now. They are crying over me now. They regret how they behaved with me. They feel horribly about how they treated me. They are now feeling the hurt I felt. The guilt is eating them alive. They understand clearly how they messed up. They can't rest without making things right with me. They want to make it all up to me now. They can't live without me. They can't stop this meditation. They keep getting emotional over me. They keep crying over me. They can't stop thinking about me. They want to protect me. They know now they must change their ways. They promise themselves to change for the better. They show up as their best self for me now. They regret everything and they have to make it up to me now. They want to be my hero now. They want to make me smile again. They want to love me right now. They miss everything about me. They want to give me the world now. They are constantly calling me now. They are constantly sending me long, emotional texts. They are constantly wanting to spend time with me now. They hate that they let me down and will never do it again. Their every thought is about me. Everything reminds them of me. They are haunted by their actions until they apologize to me and make things right with me again. They know it's safe to contact me and apologize. They feel deep gratitude for me. They know nobody loves them like I do. They cry over me now. They know no one will ever try like I did. They are anguished over me now. They know I'm the best they will ever get. They are in painful lack over me right now. They are down bad over me right now. They are panicking over me now. They are clingy and needy over me now. They are obsessed with me now. They are extra desperate for me now. They keep crying and begging me to accept them back into my heart. They keep begging me for another chance. Without my love and presence, they feel empty and lonely. Their life sucks without me. They miss every little thing about me. All of our happiest moments keep playing in their head. They tell me how they cried for me. They cry so hard for me. They cry in front of me. Their ego is nowhere to be found. Their pride is non-existent now. They openly cry and beg for my love, forgiveness, and validation again. They need me more than air now. They feel like they can't breathe without me. They feel like a big piece of their heart is missing without me. No matter where they are and no matter what they are doing, they can only think about me. They are sobbing so hard over me right now. They are safe and immune to doing anything I don't want them to do. I am safe and immune to experiencing anything I don't want to experience. I know I only get my perfect desired results. I only get my desired scenarios. I am perfect. I am unbothered. I am immune to feeling guilty for using this. I am safe from karma. I am God of my reality. My desires are a promise. If I want something, that means it's available to me. They cry over the phone to me now. They cry on FaceTime to me now. They cry to their friends and family over me now. They cry and beg at my feet now. They are in grief and loss over me now. They experience all the pain, heartache, and suffering they made me feel multiplied. The pain awakens their senses, and now they know not to treat me so recklessly. I enjoy them being respectful to me now. I love the fact that they are afraid to lose me now. I am in power in my relationship. They rightfully fawn over me now. I am healed and refreshed. All my energy that has been wasted over them comes back to me now in its purest, cleansed form. I have risen up to my rightful place on the pedestal. They learned how to treat me with love, kindness, and compassion. They never want to experience this loss of me again. I am important and sacred to them. They sincerely value me now. They have nightmares about me being with other people. The thought of them losing me consumes them. They can't rest without securing our relationship now. They take right action with me now. I am so happy this meditation worked so fast for me. I am grateful to the universe for humbling them. I am so glad the universe melted their ego and removed anything causing it to grow. I remain unbothered and focused on myself. I find the entire situation amusing at this point. I put all my feelings and energy towards loving and forgiving myself. I deserve the best. They are lucky to have my attention at all, and they know it. They do whatever it takes to win me back. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they can't rest without securing our relationship now to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.